front of me is Xiaomi 17 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Magic Fluids Light Fluid Theme from Mad Scientist Developer. When it's ready, launch it. Hit consent and to mute the music, tap at the bottom left corner. Now my favorite part. To adjust this wallpaper to your needs, click on this gear at the top left corner and manage all of those options however you wish to. While checking out preview at the top, you can also hit presets on the left, pick one of those, and then adjust it as well. When you're ready, click at the top right corner and bottom right corner. Select Set as Live Wallpaper. Hit Yes. Tap on Set Wallpaper and decide where by clicking on one of those options: home screen, lock screen, or both. Then go back. And as you can see, after a few minutes, my wallpaper was successfully applied. You can try all of those, adjust them however you want to, and then apply it the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!